Hey, can't fall back asleep? You're not alone. Millions of Americans wake up in the middle of the night, frustrated. So what should you do when your brain just won't turn off? Here's what the experts say. First, don't just lie there. If you're awake for more than 20 minutes, get out of bed. Seriously, don't train your brain to associate your bed with stress. Instead, try a relaxing activity. Read a book, listen to calm music, or do some light stretching. But, and this is big, avoid your phone. The blue light tells your brain it's morning and makes things worse. Racing thoughts? If your mind is busy with tomorrow's to-do list, grab a notebook and jot it down. Getting it out of your head can help you relax. And if you're tempted to check the clock, don't. Clock watching only ramps up your anxiety, making it even harder to drift off. Keep your room cool and dark. If you're tossing and turning, it might be too warm or bright. Small tweaks can make a big difference. Still not sleepy? Try a breathing exercise. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 7, exhale for 8. Repeat a few times. And remember, don't stress about being awake. One rough night won't ruin everything. Worrying just makes it harder to fall asleep. If this keeps happening though, talk to a doctor. There could be an underlying issue that needs attention. That's your news flash on getting back to sleep. Don't just lie there, take action and give your body a real chance to rest.